Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I am completely barefaced because we are going to talk about this product. So this is the Cosrx One Step Moisture Up Kit, and so this is my favorite Korean sheet mask. So I wanted to review it for you and share with you what I think about it and why is it my favorite. So yeah, let's start. The first product is actually their cleanser that is called the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, and the second one is actually the One Step Moisture Pad, and the third one, the actual sheet mask, is the Holy Moly one. The One Step Moisture Pad is actually one of my favorite toner, so I am really happy with this kit because I actually like everything, but the star of the show is actually the sheet mask that is absolutely amazing, and I will show you right now. So now I am right back and I already washed my face with the cleanser, and my skin feels just normal, feels a little tight and dry because this product is actually a little drying for my skin, but I think honestly for just a normal skin it would be really perfect. It's just my skin is terribly dry, so I have such a hard time to find a cleanser that doesn't dry out my skin. So now we will move into the second step, that is the Moisture Up Kit. So I will just open it. In this kit you get actually two pads, and I'm gonna use now one. And what I like about this pad is that they are really moisturizing, and as you can see they have a little texture on them, and it permits you to exfoliate your skin but really gently. It's not too harsh, so I think it's really perfect for just dry skin like mine or really sensitive skins. So yeah, I'm going to first apply this, and now I'm gently dabbing. Just by applying this toner, my face feels really moisturized and bouncy. I really like it. I think this pad is loaded with hyaluronic acid. It's a really good ingredient for hydration, and this is honestly why I love it, because when you use it you can directly feel the moisture sinking into your skin, and yeah, this is all what you need. So now let's talk about the mask. So this mask is actually called Holy Moly Advanced Nail Mucin Power Mask. Actually, all the ingredients in this mask are really good. The main ingredients are red ginseng water and also snail mucin. And yeah, I will show you right here the list of ingredients. And also, as you can see, there is nothing harmful and nothing hard for the skin, or like that can irritate skin with acne or just like sensitive skins like mine. If you check well, the first ingredient is actually red ginseng water, and red ginseng is really well known for being an amazing anti-aging product, but also it boosts collagen production, so this ingredient is really amazing for being the first one on the list. And the second ingredient is snail secretion filtrate. It is really amazing for signs of aging, dry patches, acne breakouts. It's really moisturizing, and also it can help to fade your acne scars. So this is why I'm really liking this product, because when I use it really regularly I can see the difference sometimes on my really fresh acne scars. So now let's try out this mask. So this mask has actually a lot of product inside, so you want to make sure to keep it, and then you can rub it like on your neck or just everywhere. Here is the mask, and there is so much product in it. It's dropping everywhere, so now don't be scared, I'm gonna wear it. I'm supposed to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah, I will be right back. So it's been 20 minutes that I have it on, and I am gonna get it off. And now you have to just do like so. So I'm going to tap into my skin. My skin feels already so smooth. You can't touch it, but my skin is so smooth. I really love it. So now the product is fully absorbed and I am going to give my final review of this product. So I think you can see, but my skin is so bouncy and really glowy. I'm going to do a close-up. You can see what I'm talking about. It's really glowy. So what I love about this product is that it never breaks me out, and also it has no fragrance. And this is so hard to find a sheet mask without fragrance, because personally fragrance irritates my skin so much and I really hate it. I think it's kind of useless in a cosmetic to put too much fragrance, especially in a skincare. So I'm really happy that this one doesn't have any fragrance. And yeah, it just moisturizes my skin so well, and it gives that really glowy effect. It's not sticky at all, and also I think it's not heavy on the skin. Like now it's summertime, I mean it's not summer but it's almost summer, and yeah, I don't feel like I have something really heavy on my skin. Like for example the Innisfree, the shea butter one is a little too heavy when it's like 28 degrees like today, but this one is just perfect. Now I am filming in the evening, so it was kind of my night routine, and I know that when I will wake up tomorrow I will have such a beautiful skin, a really radiant and really glowy skin, and really moisturized. So yeah, so that's all what I had to say about this product. I hope that you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up, and please let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite sheet mask. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.